Welcome back to Home Decor, your ultimate source for creative, natural, and budget friendly decorating ideas. In today's video, we'll explore a rustic and eco friendly trend that never goes out of style: jute rope decorations. Jute rope, also known as golden fiber, is a strong, natural, and biodegradable material. It's not just for packing or crafting anymore. Jute is now a design essential for homes that embrace natural charm and handmade beauty. From furniture to art pieces, from storage items to wall hanging, jute rope brings warmth, texture, and organic elegance to any space. Let's dive into the world of jute rope decoration and explore the many stunning and functional pieces you can make or add to your home. Jute bags. Let's begin with something both functional and fashionable. Jute rope bags. Handcrafted jute bags are strong, stylish, and sustainable. Available in various sizes and shapes, tote bags, beach bags, or market bags. Perfect for daily use or shopping, also serve as decor items when hung on walls or used in entryways for storing essentials. Jute boxes and storage boxes. Next are the beautiful jute rope boxes and baskets that bring both storage and decoration into one. Woven or wrapped with jute rope, these boxes look earthy and elegant. Can be square, round, or oval in shape. Use them to store toys, books, towels, or even as planter covers. Perfect for shelves, closets, or underbed organizations. Jute rope chairs and stools. Furniture made with jute rope is both unique and artistic. Chairs and stools made with jute rope weaving look vintage and rustic. Frames are usually wooden or metal and the jute forms the seat or backside. Ideal for patios, balconies, or boho-style interiors. Lightweight and perfect for natural themed decor. Mats, rugs, and coasters. Jute rope mats and rugs are one of the most common yet beautiful additions to our home. Hand braided or circular mats look organic and cozy. Jute coasters are great for dining or coffee tables. Use jute mats in entryways, bathrooms, or bedrooms. They add texture and warmth to any floor. Coasters protect surfaces and add a natural touch. Jute wall art and wall cloth. Transform your wall with jute rope art and hanging wall cloth. Description: you can create mandalas, pyramid, sketcher, or abstract design using just rope. Wall cloths are fabric canvases bordered or patterned with jute rope for a table or farmhouse use. Perfect for living rooms, hallways, or entry walls. Brings a handmade and earthy personality to any space. Jute rope animals, fish, cat, dogs. A fun and creative side of jute rope art is making decorative animal figures. Crafting fish, cats, and dogs from jute rope is both adorable and creative. These can be wall hangings, table decor, or even toys. Kids' rooms, garden walls, or farmhouses themed corners brings a touch of playfulness and personality to your home. Jute rope vases and bottles. Turn all glass bottles into beautiful vases using jute rope. Wrap bottles or jars completely in jute for a rustic look. You can add shells, beads, or fabric flowers for extra decoration. Use as centerpieces, shelf accents, or flower holders. Perfect for minimalist or buffo interior. Jute plates and trays. Yes, even plates and trays can be made or decorated with jute rope. Decorative plates or tray are made by coiling and gluing jute rope in circular patterns. Can be plain or painted. Use them as table decor, candle holders, or wall plates. Great for rustic dining themes or festive decoration. Jute-based DIY craft pieces. The possibilities with jute rope are endless. From photo frames to pen holders, mirror borders to keychains. Jute Rope Decoration is famous because it's eco-friendly, affordable, easy to craft, matches both vintages and modern. Decor decoration is a blend of tradition, creativity, and sustainability. Whether you want to decorate on a budget or bring natural warmth into your home, jute rope items are the perfect choice. Bring nature indoors, add texture to your rooms, and make your home stylish, eco-friendly, all with simple jute rope. So go ahead and try out these ideas: jute bags, boxes and baskets, chairs, etc. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and happy.